Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy rolled updo in less than 2 minutes. To start, I've left a bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides, and then I'm going to divide the hair from ear to ear straight across, and then just pop this into a ponytail using an elastic band. Next, make a hole above that band, pop a couple of fingers through, pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a twist. Next, apply some texture spray all over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then pinch and pull to create more volume and texture. Then we're going to take a slice of hair from the left hand side and I'm going to pop my fingers back through that hole behind the twist. Pass the section of hair to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Join this new section of hair with the ponytail and tie them together with an elastic band. Then we're going to repeat on the right hand side, so take a small slice of hair from the right hand side, pop your fingers behind that little twist at the top, pass the section to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole. Join it together to that ponytail with another clear elastic band. Now we're just going to make one more ponytail at the bottom. And again we're going to make a hole behind the elastic band, pop your fingers through, pass the ponytail to your fingers and pull it through to create another twist. Now I'm just gently teasing the top side of the ponytail to give the bun some more volume. And I'm adding an elastic band on the end, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. And I'm just going to roll the hair up until it meets that space between the two twists. Once you've got it positioned, slip a few bobby pins either side to secure it to the head. Then pinch and pull at that little chignon bun with your fingers to add more volume and texture. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.